We do quite a bit of traveling, and of course we bring our computers with. We have different types of internet, everything from like mobile hotspots with our phones to individual devices from the phone companies that are basically hubs, to Starlink. So, and we can also use the wireless networks that are available out there, public networks. And what this does, this is a TP-Link AX1500. This is a Wi-Fi 6 dual band wireless router to travel router. So it can do a bunch of cool stuff. It can turn your phone into a hotspot with up to 80 devices. You can power this from a power bank or the wall. It comes with some cords, of course. But this little unit is going to turn your wired networks into a wireless network if you're in like a hotel room or something like that. It's going to take your Starlink or your other internet connection and distribute it, like say up to 80 devices. You can plug in through the USB 3 or through the SD card slots. You can plug in shared cards, so you can share drives, and then you can plug in hard networks, or you can, of course, plug in 80 devices wirelessly. Great little device, has lots and lots of uses. Great for anyone who travels with computers, phones, or any kind of internet devices. Hope this helps.